Exposure to loud noise is the most common cause of tinnitus. Exposure to loud noise causes damage to the inner ear and the mechanics of how we hear. This commonly leads to what is known as cochlear damage, which in turn leads to hearing loss and tinnitus. Although not everyone with cochlear damage will experience hearing loss. There are some cases where exposure to loud noises causes a temporary tinnitus. For example, after attending a live concert, many people will experience a ringing in the ears for a very short period of time. Some for a couple of minutes and others for a couple of hours. This is temporary tinnitus, but in most cases, this exposure to loud noise will eventually lead to permanent tinnitus. One can end up with tinnitus from a single exposure to loud noise or prolonged exposure to loud noise over a period of time. It really does depend on the individual. Some types of noise exposure that can cause tinnitus are attending live concerts, noisy pubs and clubs, listening to loud music on your stereo, in your car, MP3 players and iPods, working in a noisy environment such as those in the military, construction sites, factories and industrial plants. It is important to know that it is not only exposure to noise that can cause cochlear damage. Other situations may also cause cochlear damage, such as ear infections, earwax removals, a simple cold or flu, a blow to the head, dental work, surgery, viruses, sports injuries, etc. For detailed information regarding cochlear damage tinnitus, please read the pages 66 to 68 in the book.